Good afternoon, students. My dear students, everybody, first all the best. This week, first exam, 11th standard, monthly test. Each and every students, you read properly, write properly, improve your handwriting. You write only in cursive handwriting. Listen, students, everybody get each and every subject. You get full marks only. Okay. Okay, students, last class we all studied Joint Stock Company, Indian Joint Stock Company Act 1956. Okay, students, today one new topic is cooperative organization. Cooperative means coordination. The cooperative society is one main motto is all for one, one for all. All for one for all. The cooperative society's main motto is this one. Everybody, in this lesson, everybody you note it down this motto, all for one for all. The cooperative society first started in England in 1844. The cooperative society main another one motto is all for one for all. All are equal. All are equal. No rich and poor. That misunderstanding, no. All are equal. Main all are equal. Main reason is this one person is the cooperative society is many members. Minimum 25, maximum is cooperative society members is unlimited, but joint stock company maximum 200 only allowed, but cooperative society is minimum 25 and maximum unlimited. The cooperative society is all are equal, no rich and poor, all are equal. One person is one individual person is one share means another person is 10 share means same equal rights only. One share one person purchase means same rights, another person 10 share purchase means same rights only. That is all are equal. Listen, students, is very introduction important points. This is cooperative society, all for one for all. Next one, all are equal. Next one man, one vote. Next one is one man, one vote. One man, one vote means one individual person, one share purchase means voting rights is only one vote. Another person 10 shares purchase means that person is voting rights only one vote only. That main concept is what? All are equal. All are equal. The all are equal means no rich and poor. All are same way only followed. The all are equal means one person one share purchase means one voting rights. Another person 10 shares purchase means 10 voting rights is not. That only one vote, only voting rights. That main concept is all are equals means no rich and poor. But joint stock company, listen, another way. Joint stock company, one person one share purchase means only one voting rights. One another person 5 shares purchase means that person is having 5 voting rights. But this cooperative society organization is all are equal only. Okay, students, everybody listen, follow this lesson. First meaning and definition. A cooperative is a form of business organization which is owned and controlled by the people who has to its product, supplies or service. Although cooperatives are vary in type of membership size, all were formed to meet the specific objectives of the members and are structured to adapt to members' changing needs. Listen, students, each and every lesson, do you know one important point? Listen, everybody, you note it down. This do you know is compulsory inside one, but this side with this part only. Okay, do you know in 1844 England 26 waivers Rochdale Poyners started the first cooperative society. England 1844, the cooperative society first started person is Rochdale Poyner started in England, the first cooperative society. The cooperatives are formed by individuals who coordinate among themselves and horizontal coordination to achieve a vertical and integration in the business activities. The cooperative society were useful for promoting interest of the less powerful members of society, farmers, producers, workers, and consumers found that they could accomplish more collectively than they could individually. Listen, students, the cooperative society main members is farmers, producer, worker, consumers. That person useful of cooperative society. Listen, cooperative members produce their goods is sell in members only. Some cooperative society anytime, some cooperative persons is sometime financial problem means helping in cooperative society in less interest only issued is some money. Next one, although the people have been working together for the mutual benefit throughout the human history of the cooperative from business organization began during the industrial revolution. The industrial revolution means what? Revolution means more and more creative industries. Green revolution, white revolution. So much of revolution. The revolution means automatically creative, more and more industries. Began during the industrial revolution. At the first, the cooperative movement was started here. Robert Owen, Rochdale Poyners means 1844 started in England. The movement started by Robert Owen in 1844. He formed a consumer cooperative society in England with 28 workers and members. First started how many members? 28 members in Robert Owen. The Rochdale Society Equitable Poyners. This gradually led to work-wide movement of organizing cooperative in various fields of economic activity such as credit, farming, marketing, processing, housing, transporting, insurance, fisheries, poultry, dairying, etc. The main objectives of cooperative movement was bring to solace means a feeling of comfort. Solace means feeling of comfort. Solace and comfort to the needy persons by pursuing common economic interests through cooperative trading. Profit is not a main objective. Listen, students, another main motto is cooperative society is main motto is service only, secondary only profit. Each and every helping cooperative society is main only is a service motive only, helping in some farming, marketing, some processing, housing, transport, insurance, fishing, poultry, dairy. So many cooperative organizations, some oriented industries helping in service motive only. The main profit is not main objective. The main objective is only in cooperative society. Main objective is only in service motive. Profit is secondary, but joint stock company's main motive is main motive is profit only. Secondary only service. But cooperative society is all for one for all, one person, one vote, and one share, one vote. Two share means two vote. Three share means only one vote. Cooperative society, but organization, joint stock company in one share means one vote, two share means two vote, three share means three vote, 10 share means 10 vote, but all are equal. This cooperative society is all are equal only. No rich and poor, all are equal only. The main motive is, listen, last point, everybody you note it down. Profit is not a main objective. Profit is not main objective, but joint stock company is main objective is what? Profit only. Okay, students, today introduction only. Listen, Monday onwards. Monday means today onwards. Monthly test, everybody. You read first. You read properly. Next, you write. Improve. Listen, students. Compulsory. You write only in cursive writing only, students. Improve your handwriting. All the best. Read properly. Okay. Thank you, students. Next day. Next one. We will teach next one. New topic.